This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Check your Samsung model and Android version, and make sure location and mobile data are enabled. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Safety and Emergency. This is where SOS lives. Now tap Emergency SOS or Send SOS messages, and follow the on-screen prompts to add emergency contacts and allow permissions. Make sure to permit SMS and location access so responders can be notified and tracked. This gets you to the first actionable setup immediately. Once contacts are added, configure how SOS is triggered and what it sends. Choose whether pressing the power key multiple times, holding the side key, or using the quick panel will trigger SOS. Then enable options to auto-call emergency services, send messages to your chosen contacts, and attach your current location and medical info. Make sure the selected trigger is comfortable to activate accidentally versus intentionally. Test the trigger with a low-impact message to a trusted contact so you know it works. Finish by testing the full workflow. Trigger SOS in a controlled scenario, confirm your contacts receive the message and a location link, and confirm emergency calls connect. If messages don't send, make sure carrier SMS is supported, message permissions are allowed, and you have signal. Restart the phone if needed. If calls don't go through, verify the emergency number, disable Do Not Disturb or call blocking, and update system software. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Toggling permissions and rebooting usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.